Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Moomoo Trading Platform. If you're exploring trading platforms and curious about Moomoo, stick around. I'm breaking down what makes this app stands out and where it hits a few bumps. By the end, you'll know if it's right for your trading style or better to keep looking. Let's start with the good stuff. Moomoo offers commission-free trading on US stocks and ETFs and even slashed its opinion contract fee to just 50 cents, which puts it at the head of many rivals. Plus, it boasts no inactivity fees or account minimums, along with competitive margin rates around 6.8%, which is lower than what you get with many traders. When it comes to tools, Moomoo is stacked. You get level 2 market data for free, powerful screeners, advanced charting like 50 plus technical indicators and customizable charts, and a solid research library with content from Bloomberg, Bazinga, and Morningstar. You can add in a demo trading mode a social feed like Moomoo Community and educational webinars, and honestly, it's a feature-packed platform. Now, long-form reviewers echo this sentiment. Investopedia praises their educational tools and fast customer support, government account security, and SIPC protection. NerdWallet also highlights the slick mobile app and extended trading hours. The platform scores high score across both desktop and app for usability and stability. However, it's not all sunshine. Some users find the interface a bit overwhelming, especially beginners. The wealth of features can be a bit much at first. There are also criticisms around withdrawal issues. Multiple posts across Reddit forums recount slow or blocked withdrawals and confused customer support interactions. One user described funds being locked up for unexplained reasons, making them seriously question the platform's reliability. Also, some complaints even mention struggles with accessing options trading despite fulfilling requirements, highlighting potential inconsistencies for more advanced users. That said, there is a batch of users who love it, especially for trading Hong Kong ETFs and using the news and chart tools. One user specifically said the fee structure and visual interface kept them with Moomoo. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please be sure to like and subscribe for more.